Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will talk about a very beautiful and easy to grow plant called Coreopsis. Coreopsis is a great plant for your garden. They're very low maintenance, drought tolerant plants that have colorful flowers and they bloom a lot. They really make your garden look beautiful. I love growing these plants in my garden. These are one of those plants that grow best with minimum care. Coreopsis has many varieties. Some are annual, some are perennials. They also have lovely colors. You can see the maroon and yellow combination, it looks stunning. I also have a full maroon variety. This one also looks great. They attract a lot of pollinating insects, which is great for your garden. The plant is very flexible. Where I live, I grow them during the winter, spring and summer season. If you plant them once in your garden, they will drop their seeds and come up every year naturally, just like wild plants. They're sun-loving plants. They will not grow well in shady area, so grow them in full sunlight where they get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. The more sun they get, the better they will flower. You can easily grow them in containers. Choose at least an 8-inch pot for one plant so they can grow big. Here you can see I have also grown them in plastic packets and they're growing quite well. They have grown quite bushy and blooming a lot. They have very thin grass-like foliage which makes the flower pop even more. They can get up to 4 feet tall and they really look great when they move in the wind. The best and easiest way to grow them is by seeds. You can also buy hybrid varieties from nurseries. I grow them from seed every year. They will grow in any type of soil, so don't worry if you have a poor soil. Just make sure the soil is well draining. You can mix 20 to 30% compost, a tablespoon of bone meal and some river sand with your soil for best results. They don't need too much fertilizing, so just add any liquid organic fertilizer weekly and add little bone meal to boost flowering. To get maximum flowers, you have to prune them regularly. The more you deadhead, the better they will flower. So cut off all the dead and dry flowers as soon as possible. Do it regularly and you will have much more blooms for a longer time. Water them well and nicely. They're quite drought tolerant, so check your soil and water when it's dry. Don't overwater them too much, that can be harmful. I don't face a lot of pest problems in this plant. If you do, you can spray neem oil to prevent any pest attack. These are all the simple steps to grow Coreopsis. They're great plants for your garden. They're so easy and they're perfect for beginners. So definitely grow them in your garden and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more content. I will see you next time. Bye.